Yeah.
In those days, when I used to play on the street, I would call it basking in the olden days. And then I used to go to the beach, Labadi Beach.
Yeah.
And then I get drunk so much. And sometimes I can't even go home. And then one day, when I was crossing Labadi Beach Road to T. Johnson, a car nearly knocked me. So the drink come out. So when I reached home, I started to write this song.
Which year was that?
This is 1991 there.
1991?
Yes.
That's a long time.
Yes. So I started...
About 33 years ago.
Yeah, it's a long time. I wrote the song, and then I made the song ready, make a demo, and put down. In 1996, I recorded it in London.
In 1996?
1996, I recorded it.
In London?
Yes.
And was it an instant hit?
Very, very, very big time.
In London?
Yeah, it was so. It's hot. It was hot everywhere. Yeah, it was hot everywhere.
And how was the feeling when you realized, this song that I wrote out of my life experience is this huge? How was the feeling like?
That's how I'm trying to explain you the song. The song itself. In Ghana, if you do your party or your wedding or funeral, somebody come to your house, he knows he himself he can drink only one beer, and it's okay. Because I had the food empty. Obi kura wa timi fansan kura obo num kakra na ofia gu fam onu se obo ka but onum se obo no kasa obo no ho ka because unum sa no num na de no so ntimi a this the cross kwan a ohu shadow kura ba ka say ka unti tam ka na baba no ohu ka no nti because of my experience, as I told you, I nearly died because I was crossing. So that's why I say in heaven there is no beer. That is why we are drinking all the beer. For when you went to heaven, when they bury you, that day you will never get that beer to drink again. Because what I see is they are burying you on the ground and there is no beer there. So people ask me, do you see the heaven? Yes, I see the heaven because I see how they put them inside.
So once you go inside,
you go inside. There's no beer. Maybe something where I don't know. That one I can't tell. But this beer particularly, I know beer. I know how beer look like. So I'm talking about beer. So that is why all your friends, the day they bury you, will be drinking all your beer. So I put it in a sort point like, if you think you are doing me and you drink over, instead of you drinking slowly with me, so we all can live longer. So you can drink every day, small. You want to drink one day, boom, because it's out of euphoria. And then now you knock off. You cross the road, the car knock you. The next day we are burying you. Me, I'll come to your funeral. I'll be crying, but I'll be drinking your beer for you. Instead of me, you sitting down on the table sharing the beer. Now you are not here. We are drinking for you. So all your friends will be drinking all the beer. No, all your beer.
All your friends will be drinking all your beer. So let's go through the lyrics one by one. You said, in heaven, there is no beer. That's why we are drinking all the beer.
For when you go to heaven, all your friends
will be drinking all your beer. Oh, I see. Then I've been singing it wrong.
So you see, it's like it's trying to educate people with adophobia. Things that you think is not possible and you want to do it because it's cheaper.
Or you are getting it for free.
You're getting it for free. And then you overdo it, knowing that it's not possible for you and you still do it. So to say, listen, it's enough. Or see one beer, I'm driving.
That's all.
On yes, on you.
But a chroma de obibet manum baby.
For so cross no. So we say no. If I go to a place and I'm driving, I know how much beer I can drink and go. When I read that limit, you order beer, I go say no. They go say, Atongo Zimba. Who offer the beer crosses your pay? But it's not. They don't even. They only think one side. Of what you're thinking. You're not offering me a food. You're offering me alcohol when I say no. then you feel like I get then no kakra. Forcing you to drink something that you know it will harm you.
Yeah.
So it's the culture. The culture, no, is causing us to these issues. Culture, no. So for me, I think if you drink slowly, you can be able to drink every day.
Yeah.
So we can always sit down and chat and drink until we all get older.
Yeah.
If you overdrink, it means everything. It can even burn your liver. It can be a lot of things can happen to you if you drink over.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? So that's the whole song about.
Basically,
it's a Christian song.
It's a Christian song?
Yeah, for me, it's a Christian song. It's advice. It's knowledge. But people take it otherwise.
Yeah.
They say, oh, that's why we're drinking all the beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the things you are saying.
It's good you've been able to break it down and explain it this way for us.
I say that's why all your friends
will be drinking all your beer. Yeah.
Because you are done for fun, I'm not
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But because over you are there too much.